hypothesis is that those who exercise regularly will have a smaller change in heart rate after riding a stationary bike for about 5 minutes in comparison to those who don't exercise regularly.
First, students in the classroom recorded their average hours per week of exercise. The data was separated into 4 groups. Group 1, 0 to 2 hours. Group 2, 3 to 6 hours. Group 3, 6 to 12 hours. And the 4th group was more than 12 hours per week. To test our hypothesis, students recorded their heart rate before riding the stationary bike and immediately after. The percent change in heart rate was calculated for all students. To analyze our data, we first took an average of percent change in heart rate for all 4 exercises.
Okay guys, so you're on. So say that. Let me get rid of my glasses.
The data is displayed in a bar graph. This visual representation proves that our hypothesis is correct because, as you can see, those who exercise more than others have a smaller change in heart rate.
Our second hypothesis stated chronic coffee drinkers will experience a smaller change in heart rate after drinking coffee in comparison to someone who is not a chronic coffee drinker. Each student took their heart rate right before drinking a cup of coffee. 30 minutes later, students recorded their heart rate once again. As seen from the pie chart, the results do not agree with our hypothesis because non-chronic coffee drinkers actually have a smaller change in heart rate after drinking coffee in comparison to those people who normally drink coffee. This data goes against our hypothesis. We believe the data was not controlled enough to be accurate.
For example, students may have taken their heart rate incorrectly and inconsistently with other students, or other variables before the test could have impacted the results, such as drinking coffee or rushing into class.
In conclusion, we correctly predicted one hypothesis while incorrectly predicting the other. Thank you for watching from Team Winn.